These bars are so good, you'll want to make them again and again. Crunchy and full of chocolatey goodness with sour tinge from the cranberries. Let's make them. I started by roasting some raw peanuts in the oven. Low heat is the key here. Just give them a turn now and then with a spatula. This really brings out flavor. Once they're roasted, put 1 cup of them in a food processor. I don't blend it too fine, just to nib size so there's still some crunch. You don't want it to be powdery. Then I toasted half a cup oats with ground peanuts in a pan on the stove. Keep an eye on it. When it's nice and brown, it's done. I added cranberries on top and set it aside. For the sticky part, I warm up a 1/4 cup of coconut oil and a 1/4 cup of honey in a small pot. Once it's warm, I sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. This is supposed to help hold the bars together, but honestly, coconut oil does most of the work here. Next, I poured the honey mixture into the dry ingredient and gave it a good mix. I also chopped about 50 grams of chocolate. Now here's a tip. If you don't want it to melt too much, add the chocolate at the end. But I mix it in now. And it melted a bit, which actually helped hold the bars together. So it's up to you. Everything comes together nicely at this point. It smells so good. I line a baking tray with aluminum foil, press the mixture down, and covered it with baking paper. Don't skip this step. Pressing it down really tight is what keeps the bars from falling apart later. Pop it in the fridge for a few hours, and once it's firm, you can cut it into bars. It's super satisfying to see all the layers of chocolate, oats, and peanuts.
That's it with almond powder.
I coated each bar in almond powder. It gives them a nice finish and a bit of extra flavor. These bars are super firm when they're cold, like chocolate, but if you leave them out at room temperature, they'll soften up a bit.
Yummy.